र यहाँ जम्बल लाई जित्न सफल गयो र यहाँ आशिष बस्नेतको पहिलो आशिष बस्नेत ड्राइभिङ इन passes to Ravi. Shot clock 10 seconds बाँकी and यहाँ ट्रान्जिसनमा अहिले प्रशान्त गोजमास्के and he gets the easy layup थिए टाइम्सको गेम टाइम्सको गेममा र यहाँ अजयको निकै नै राम्रो ड्राइभिङ बस्नेत प्रशान्त गोजमास्के and he converts again. With this fall Golden Gate को फ्ल्याग अन भइसकेको छ अबको Abhishek Singh converts his first. Abhishek Singh for his second shot. He converts 4, 3, 2 and he attempts and he Sudeep Paudel pulls up from the field Galagi. Nikai open shot for Abhishek Singh and he shooter. He's also a Nepal international and he's open. He takes the shot and he by GGIC. A very reliable shooter for Nepal. He converts, but Spandan showing a good handle drive, good drive in, and he converts. Pasang Dozmaske is on the free throw line. Maske able to convert his first and convert 6 seconds, but he converts. Shot clock down to 5 seconds. Wide open shot. तर convert यहाँ हुन सकेन. तर rebound अझै पनि Royal GGIC to Nikesh. He drives in and gets the reverse layup. Ramkrishna Ghodane, he pulls up and he Nikesh to Vikas again. Nikesh, he drives in and he gets the easy getting the isolation. He drives in, he gets the open layup. Nikesh Mawar taking his time. Very reliable shooter of Nepal, an experienced player, old as in experience, and he being able to convert. Transition man Nikesh, and he's able to draw the foul time, and he good. It's good to see Vivek again back on the court, and he converts. So Ajay for the second. And he can transition my Golden Gate. Abhishek Singh. And he gets blocked. Susan Morton from the downtown shots. He can very well. And there's the ball and it's the end one. To Pasang, and he pulls up and he converts, driving in and a left-handed Marzan, Susan Marzan there, and he to Sudeep, and he takes the wide open shot. Ramkrishna Ghodane on the move, and he Sudeep Paudel, and he converts. A very neck-to-neck game we're watching here. Bjorn Marzan, easy left. Nikesh Mawar. The second, he converts the hand of Nikesh Mawar. And 7th made, now this is 8-1. He converts. Abhishek Singh to Ajay, he pulls up. A very good find there and a very good ball movement there, and the second shot he Vinod Marzan, Pasang Dozmaske kicks out to Susan Marzan. We're on the third quarter. Ajay, Susan Marzan driving in and he gets the not being able to convert early transition. Rahul Maske. My bad, sorry. That fall, it is his fourth personal fall. He ties the game at 53. And so Ravi on the free throw line, converting the second. And he converts. taking his time. He pulls up a very Sinapani. Rajiv Joshi जस्तो नेपालको पूर्व कप्तान Samuelson and Susan Morrison. A very good sweep to Amrit. He gets swinging the ball off. So that gives the lead to GGIC of 1 point. Prasang Dujmaske steps back and he makes the Amrit Koirala driving in and he gets and there's a turnover by Pinot Morrison again. And Ramkrishna transition माइले GGIC Nikesh Abhishek having 5 to Nikesh Nagar, his opponent, and he converts. Abhishek to Sudeep, to Ajay. Once he used to be the coach of Ajay. Ashish Bhanslat pulls up. Hidayat Bashiyan, he's driving in. Ashish. Susan Morrison from the downtown. Only 5-point game. Vinod Morrison gets the rebound today. This is the 10th free throw of Nikesh and theoretically from the free throw line Nikesh.